You with me?
I think I'm going to love it here.
Ooh, baby, it's dangerous. Your problems are just not the same to us. You're dealing with things you ain't seen before. 3, 2, 1.
Holy sh! More.
It's exactly what I wanted.
Obviously.
Run it down. Design is up.